Hey, what's going on? It's Corey, and we back at it for another one update with My Lead Gen Secret. If you're looking to get more leads and to double your leads when it comes to My Lead Gen Secret and make a recurring income as an affiliate for the program. If this is your first time here and hearing about My Lead Gen Secret, this is a bulk mailer. You get 100 leads per day for a one-time startup fee, and then it'll be a $30 monthly fee after that. But it'll help you build a list, and it's a very responsive list too at that, at 100 leads per day. So by the end of the month, those leads could be up to 3,000 leads, and that's 3,000 people that you can send your promotion, your clickbank promotions or items, JVC items, anything of those natures. And these are how you say at home based business leads. So as an affiliate, when you offer My Lead Gen Secret for the person who signs up with you as an affiliate, you'll get 200 leads per day. Now I want to go over real quick how that works. So once you get in, you'll get $5 per month on a level 1 referral. A level 2, meaning your level 1 has made a referral, you'll get $4. Your level 3, you'll get $3. A level 4, you'll get $2, and on level 5, you'll get $1 per month. If you can see how over here in the corner of the screen, it shows you how this can quickly add up as an affiliate and add up as a really good residual month-to-month income if you market this as an affiliate with My Lead Gen Secret. I want to take you over into our proof group and show you just a day ago, Mr. James Famba, big ups to you. It's a mentor of mine. Have brung in Matthew Molly. He'll be able to receive 100 leads per day. Welcome to to the success group. Not just James having good issues in here. Look at check out Travis Alexander, affiliate sale $20.21. Congrats, Travis Alexander, sharing more results coming from the buyer's website traffic, email. He has three accounts. You are allowed to have multiple accounts. He has 3 accounts, so he's sending like ClickBank offers and JVSU offers, Warriors Plus offers to these leads and having great success with it. And as I scroll down just a day ago, so hello, got a sign up today, 29/9/23. Thanks MLGS. This is my main traffic source for getting all these signups, and it's easy, just an email a day and leave the rest to the system to get the job done. So as you can see right here, 9/29, just a few days ago. So he'll get the commission on the $5, and then right here he got this is a recurring commission right here. So that's awesome. Congratulations to you. And if you want to receive these leads and be an affiliate for MLGS, they give you all the promotional tools. You'll be able to check your commissions and your downlines within the tab of the affiliates. They have recommended advertising sites where you can use other bulk mailers and stuff, and resources to be able to find even more leads and be a bigger affiliate through MLGS. They give you the stats and the mailings. So I just want to go over real quick through the tools. Right here you'll find the different websites that you can promote, and through here it's going to give you all the compensation plan and how it works and how you be paid out and how you can earn more. So if you want to be an affiliate for MLGS, they do have pre-written ads. that you can go ahead and right here where it says import affiliate email, you can import these emails straight into the mailer system and send out these emails. I've been using MLGS as a traffic source for my other opportunities like the Infinity Processing System, which is a e-learning course for attraction marketing, and my six-figure marketing system, which is a fully automated marketing system, email follow-up, capture pages, and all that such short, autoresponder, which is another great system. You can check out my channel and check out those two systems on my channel. So I've been sending these emails out as an affiliate for MLGS, and I actually got to sign up using these emails. So I'm going to just go down to day 10 and I'm going to import this. I'm going to do this right here live in front of you guys so you can see how this works. So now I have 200 leads to send this to that I'm going to get every day. As of today, I have 7,600 email leads to be able to send this message to today. Right here, I'm going to copy this. And what this is going to do is put their first name inside of the system. So when they open up their email box, it's going to say first name, 3 ways you can actually get more money in the next 24 hours. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to do the same here, but I'm going to use Control V inside of the box, because that's what you can use to paste, and Control C is the copy. And for those who's not tech savvy, and if you never sent out the email, they have an emailing system 101 training video that'll show you how you can put pictures and how you say make this email a little bit more of you. So if you never did email marketing, they do have a training in here that teaches you how to send an email and how to write an email. I'm going to click perfect timing with this. You don't have to. I've tested back and forth with the perfect timing and just regular mailing. I want to see it by having more email recipients to send this message off to. I'm going to click perfect timing so I see I want to know how many more people are going to opt in on this email at a perfect timing quote. So I'll let you guys know how that go on another update when I give you another review on my lead gen secret. I'm sorry if I've been stuffy and sound all monotone. I've been sick and trying to fight through the cold and stuff, but I'm still here and I'm going to show up for you guys and give you guys all the updates and things that I learned. I'm going to be bringing it here to this channel. I would love for you guys to comment down in the messaging box. Let me know what other things you are interested in the make money online space. If there's something you want me to cover on the make money online space, I would love to hear your comments and feedback on this video. Please do hit the comments. So I just sent out this mail to everyone on the mailers list, and it's going to be another 22 hours before I'll be able to mail out. So every day you'll be able to mail out with this system. So if you want to be a part of my lead gen secret as an affiliate and get 200 leads a day and really up your game in the email space, hit the link is in the description. Start driving traffic, and I'll see you guys on the other side.